right away Ken said, that don't make no sense.
That math doesn't make sense.
Math, and she hadn't figured out the math didn't make sense because a professional at the bank told her this was the math. And so she was relieved and delighted and thrilled. And yet what had happened is the bank, by their own choice, simply extended out her amortization. Extended
in the renewal documents.
In the renewal documents. So it was in print. But when you know what's there, you don't necessarily see what's there. Or when you think you know what's there. So she had no thought that the bank would take it upon their own volition, I'm going to call it, to actually extend out her amortization, which then reduced her payment, although her interest rate was higher.
Yeah, because, she did her mortgage. She's been in the house for, oh goodness, I think close to 15 years.
Right.
So there should be about 10 years left if she took a 25-year mortgage and didn't accelerate it, right?
Right.
And so the mortgage is not huge at this point. And it's, she had renewed earlier, closer to COVID season when interest rates were low. And now they were, higher, probably like 2%, almost double. Because she went from 2 to 4.
Right.
So almost double. And yet she was amazed that her payment was less. And I said, whoa, the payment's less because they've extended your amortization again. Whether they took it from 10 and put it back out to 15 or put it out to 20 years, I'm not sure. I didn't see her actual paperwork. But we did this all the time, whether it's in banking or cars or whatever it is. If you're stuck on payment, payment's important. But if you're stuck on payment, they will move things around. They will charge you a higher interest rate because they put it on a longer amortization and your payment's still lower. So you don't question the interest rate that maybe you could have got another 0.25% off of that interest rate.
Right.
Because you don't care because, oh, look, the payment's low.
So bottom line here is don't just take what you're given from the financial institution as accurate. I mean, it's accurate in terms of how they chose to do it.